So I want to start off by thanking the 23 Brave News subscribers who have taken effort and time to sub to this channel. You all allow this channel to grow and allow me to give content to more viewers across this platform, so thank you for that. The game plan from here on out is to have more vocal videos rather than isolating it to the bite-sized videos that I have been doing. Anyway, let's jump into it. This video is about Gravity once again, which has gained a lot of traction recently and has a sizable chunk of my portfolio at the moment. It is a great company, and I have made a quick video about it that I will be putting toward the end of this video for you to view in case you guys haven't seen it. So you'll see what I'm referring to. Starting off, I want to give fair warning about Gravity because of its extremely quick rise to the $200 mark recently. I still retain hope that it'll climb to the 300s despite being overvalued at its current pace. Though there are predictions of $400 or more on the stock price, I will put the safe range at $250 to $350. I may relieve some of my holdings in Gravity at that range in order to protect my portfolio against a price plunge. Either way, Gravity has risen 12,800% in 5 years, which, with this sort of trajectory, $1,000 investment 5 years ago would have turned into, it would be on the path to 1 million in 10 to 11 years, which is quite incredible. But no guarantees that that's going to happen if you do throw $1,000 into there. So do not, don't take that necessarily as a piece of advice, just kind of a cool side piece that I found. There are 4 occasions in the last 5 years where Gravity has had runs of up to 200, where it's gone over like 200% before dropping drastically. This probably occurs, this is my best theory, because the company's stock price corrects itself. Like right now, it's being overvalued. It does correct itself, though I do believe that a lot of it is because the company is actually putting money back into the company in order to grow, and is probably a reason why it's been so successful. This drop, though, is usually pretty big, as if a market bubble were to burst. The drops in the past have gone as far as 70% before stabilizing. So if you have investments in this company, which does have fantastic potential to grow and has shown growth in the last 4 quarters, I would recommend setting a stop loss order on some of the stocks in this company at just above the price that you bought it for or higher. For those of you who don't know what a stop loss order is, it's basically a point at which a stock sells if it hits that, like if it drops and it hits that price that you set, it will sell, and is usually there to limit any losses. I use these quite often, and they are a nice little feature. And I would set it just above the price that you bought it for, so at least, if you reap any profits, at least you've reaped something in the event that there's a price drop. Because there will be people that do not do this. The stock price is volatile, usually drifting back and forth as much as $10. Once the price has had a run up to a considerable height, I would recommend selling at the higher selling point on such an order, as I said before. Now, I do see this stock continuing to rise to the $300 mark, but as a cautious investor, I'm going to recommend setting one of those stop loss orders, and I will be doing it for myself on the grounds that the stock has shown a history of running up high before falling fast. This has happened on 3 or 4 separate occasions in the past 5 years. So for those who may have been following Gravity stock a lot longer than I have, they may already know this, and it's quite possibly just a pattern. It is an excellent company. It just does have that crazy pattern. This company will be in my portfolio for a long time to come. So that's my fair warning for Gravity. It's a wonderful company, and as one that is giving pointers, I do want to protect those who are investing as well, and those who look at our videos and do maybe take some of it to help themselves. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like and hit that subscribe button to keep up with the latest content. Thank you to all the current subscribers. Your support helps this channel grow. And until next time, this is Stocks and Sports, out.